Welcome to our video on using statistics to set a hypothesis. We'll explore how statistical methods inform the formulation and testing of hypotheses in research. To begin, review existing research to identify relevant theories and empirical evidence. This helps in understanding the context and background of your study. Next, determine the variables of interest and their potential relationships. Identifying these variables is crucial for proposing testable hypotheses. Use statistical techniques to propose testable hypotheses based on theoretical frameworks. This ensures that your hypotheses are grounded in existing knowledge. Develop experimental designs that allow for statistical analysis of data to test hypotheses. A well-structured design is essential for obtaining valid and reliable results. Use statistical power analysis to determine the appropriate sample size for detecting hypothesized effects. This step is vital for ensuring your study has enough power to detect meaningful differences. Choose appropriate statistical tests, such as t-tests, ANOVA, or regression, to analyze data and evaluate the hypotheses. Selecting the right test is key to accurate data interpretation. Interpret statistical findings to determine whether hypotheses are supported or rejected based on significance levels. This helps in drawing valid conclusions from your data. In conclusion, statistics play a crucial role in hypothesis setting by providing quantitative methods to formulate, test, and interpret hypotheses in research. By integrating statistical techniques effectively, researchers can enhance the rigor and reliability of their findings, contributing to evidence-based decision-making and scientific advancement. Thank you for watching.